guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Griselda and today we are going to do a taste test of the Nespresso Special Reserve Hawaii Kona. So I was really excited to hear that Hawaii Kona was coming back. I had briefly heard like mention of it in the Nespresso group on Facebook last year, but I never picked it up for whatever reason. I don't know. Some of these releases that Nespresso will sell out like fairly quickly, or you know, sometimes like this time of the year it's like one after another and there's just a lot coming at you at once and you have to really decide on what you want to spend your money on. I didn't do it last year, but I did grab it this year because as soon as it was announced for the US, I picked this up along with a couple of other capsules and I wanted to try it for you today since I haven't done very many taste tests or tastings. This is my second one. And I wanted to try it on camera and try and, you know, give my spin or my take on it. So let's do that. Let me open this up. It's a beautiful box. I love all the Reviving Origin boxes, but actually before I do that, let me share a little bit about this capsule. It's on here. So Hawaii Kona, you see it's 40 ml, 1.35 ounces. So it is a single shot of espresso. The roastiness is 3 out of 5, acidity is 3 out of 5, bitterness 2 out of 5, and the body is 3 out of 5. So it is an intensity level. It's not on here, but I found it on the website. It is a 6 out of 11, which just means the intensity of the flavor. I gave you a ton of numbers, right? Roastiness, acidity, bitterness, body, and that's basically just what the flavor profile out of 5 for an espresso scale. For me, when I hear roastiness 3, acidity 3, bitterness 2, body 3, it sounds like it's gonna be a pretty light capsule, a light tasting capsule. 6 out of 10 is kind of light. I really like intensely flavored coffees, but I'm excited to just taste this capsule and see if it does give me that Hawaii flavor. I've only been to Hawaii once and I was obsessed with the coffee every single day. We were there for like a week and a half for a wedding and I had coffee every single day, at least once a day from local coffee shops, and that flavor is like none other. So I'm just curious to see if it's going to bring me back to those vacation vibes. So let's open this up. And the capsule is right here. Very beautiful. It's like that light blue with a design on all the way around the pod. And then you see here, just like the name, which I really appreciate because sometimes Nespresso doesn't put the names on here. So it has the name and the size. I'm gonna brew it right now. I'm gonna try it black and taste the crema, taste the coffee itself, and then I'll probably add some oat milk and kind of go from there and give it a taste to see what I like or how I like it, and if I think I need to add anything like a syrup or sugar or something like that. So let me go brew. Here is the coffee. You see it's not a lot. It is not a lot. So let me just try a little bit of the crema. It is very light. Very light. Tastes very light. I think wait, let me check something. That's what it is. The aromatic profile is tropical and exotic, which it is. But what I was just thinking about is the notes are fruity and nutty. I definitely get that fruitiness, which is not my favorite. Fruit and floral is something I'm still dabbling in because I'm still not sure how I feel about it or that I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. But okay. I taste it even, now that I know, I feel like I taste it even more. So let me move on. I'm gonna add a little bit of oat milk. So hold on. I'm using my backup frother because my Nespresso frother is dirty and I don't feel like washing it. So let's pour. I'm gonna just pour this whole thing. Okay, let's give it a mix. I think it's a little bit lighter than, no, actually it's okay. This is an okay color. Let me try. Oh, that's really good. Just by itself. I think I'm gonna add, because of the nutty note, I'm gonna add some Monin macadamia syrup. I'm gonna add just like 1 pump. That might not have even been 1 pump, but I feel like it was about a pump. I'm just curious to see what the flavor will be with a little bit more added nuttiness. That's really good. It is a very light coffee, or espresso, or very light flavored coffee, but it tastes very light. This is a little bit lighter than I normally would do, but it is just 1 capsule, so went a little heavy-handed. But it tastes really good. This is a very light coffee. The flavor is also very light. I don't know if I'd necessarily say it tastes like, and maybe I shouldn't be comparing it to coffee that I had in Hawaii. While in Hawaii, it's very light tasting. It's not super strong. It tastes really good. It's not bitter. It's just like a very comfortable coffee that like you can't really screw it up. So this would have even been good with like a tiny bit of either simple syrup, some brown sugar, but oat milk is my go-to, so that's what I use. Not regretting buying it. I know I've said before, I really like a more intense coffee, but this is really good. And it's nice that it's only 1 espresso shot. If I want to make like a small coffee to go or just a small coffee in the afternoon, this is the perfect option, really, because it's very light, it's not heavy. I'm just babbling at this point. I would probably not buy another sleeve, but I don't regret buying this one because it does taste really good. And I'm happy I have it in my collection. And I can drink it just whenever I feel like it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this coffee. I hope you grab one for yourself if you like a lighter tasting coffee that really can't be screwed up by it. I really don't think you can screw this up. It does have that fruity flavor when it's black, so if you like a black coffee and you don't like fruity flavors, okay, maybe don't get this. But if you like a light tasting coffee and you like that nutty kind of flavor, this would be a good one to get, because you can just add a little bit of cream, and at least for me, you can add a little bit of milk. I used oat milk like I mentioned before, and it really gets rid of that fruity, like I don't taste it anymore, which is great because I was really worried about a fruity flavored coffee, like fruity and lavender. I don't know, maybe I'm not grown up enough to like it, but I don't really like it. I'm gonna try. So maybe at some point I will. Thank you so much for watching. I'm done rambling. Have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe to support the channel, to support me and my coffee tastings, and let me know what you want to see in the comments. I will talk to you next time. Bye.